What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to yet another video. I'm Soun from Top Trade Academy, guys, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing Sound AI, ticker symbol SOUN. Now, this is a ticker, guys, which went absolutely parabolic, guys, from the $2 levels all the way upwards of $4.40, rising over 100%. However, where is this ticker headed from here on out is what we're going to be answering. So, with that said, hit the thumbs up button because not only is this going to be an informative video, it is also going to be an educational one. Let's get into it. Now, when it comes to SOUN, what we want to do, guys, is we want to understand exactly what is causing this ticker to go on such a parabolic rally and whether or not this is actually a move that has any longevity or whatnot. When we go over here, well, my friends, it looks like that NVIDIA invests in Soun and Sense shares absolutely crazy. So it was actually an NVIDIA investment. It says NVIDIA reverses a stake in SoundHound's 78 shares of AI voice company Soun. The company was up as much as 80%, way more, 100%, we know that. NVIDIA also reported a stake in ARM Holding worth 147 million. Now, this is absolutely massive, right? When you get a chip company like NVIDIA partnering up with a small market cap company such as SoundHound, well, what do you get? You get a massive explosion in the company. Now, here's the thing you need to understand, right? Is that the market is extremely inefficient, both to the upside and to the downside. Meaning, anytime there's good news, people break the buy button. Anytime there's bad news, people break the sell button. Okay? So as good traders, it's our job to position ourselves correctly when it comes to playing the momentum and not actually getting played by the momentum. So with that said, what do we want to do, guys? What we want to do over here when it comes to SoundHound is we want to take notes of this. We want to take notes that, hey, even NVIDIA, the greatest chip production factory, one of the biggest companies ever, right? I mean, I think they just took over Microsoft or something like that as the biggest market cap, right? Insanity, right? Even this company believes that SoundHound has a massive advantage in the AI space when it comes to audio, okay? So SoundHound is an amazing company. Now we know that. However, we do not want to be buying the stock from an investment perspective at such inflated prices, because these prices right now, guys, they're based on a lot of traders making emotional decisions and acting based on fear of missing out, okay? And we don't want to do that. So what we want to do is we want to let the surprise factor wear off, let the celebration, yay, woo, wear off, and the stock to start dipping. And then we're going to go ahead, we're going to open some shares, open some positions for a long-term hold in SoundHound, because this is a company that the future is extremely bright for. That's how you want to play this ticker. Or there is another way of playing it as well. You want to go ahead and you want to play the momentum. So how I would play this stock over here, guys, would be the break of $4 for the test of $4.40 again, right? Which is approximately a 10% move. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. A 10% trade, Sam, what are you, freaking broke? 10%? No. The reality of the matter is, guys, and one of the things that changed my whole trading life, honestly, mind you, I've been trading for 6 years and I've been profitable the last 3 years. So what does that mean? That means the first 3 years, I was in hell. I was in trading hell, okay? Losing a lot of money every single day. But what changed? What changed was me understanding that it is a lot easier to get 10 stocks to give me 10% than one stock to give me 100% gains. And that's it. That was the thing that really shifted things for me. I repeat, understanding it is a lot easier to get 10 stocks to give me 10% than one stock to double my money and give me 100%. So if you have those expectations of, SoundHound of, oh, it's going to double next week, oh, the FOMO, blah, blah. The FOMO is already played in. The news is already came out, okay? The cat's already out of the bag. So you talking about FOMO, oh, it's going to FOMO, it's going to short squeeze, blah, blah. It's already happened over here, okay? And what you guys need to understand is that majority of a catalyst move is based on the first reaction, is people's reaction, okay? So this move that we got from $2 all the way upwards of $4.50, it's probably not going to break $4.50 again, in my opinion, based off of this news. It's probably not. However, it might test these levels again. It might do it, right? But it's probably not ever going to break $4.50 again. So for me personally, guys, I'm staying away from this stock unless it breaks above $4, or I would start dollar cost averaging in around the $3 levels. That's how I would play it from my perspective. Now, if you guys want more in-depth trade alerts, which I might play it from different levels depending on how the stock chart moves, because at the end of the day, it's important to kind of not have a stuck up mindset when it comes to trading. And I think this is something that a lot of traders kind of mistake, right? Where they think that flip-flopping on your ideas is a wrong thing. Guys, I could be bullish today on SoundHound, and then tomorrow the chart looks different and I could be bearish. That's the reality of trading, right? You need to adapt. You need to shift perspectives and you need to pivot. You can't just be here like, oh, it's going up. Okay, well, oh, it's good. No, if things change, then so will my idea. So if you guys want one-on-one access to me and you guys want to know exactly what I'm doing when it comes to SoundHound and every other single ticker, guys, check out the Discord. The Discord right now, guys, is on 50% sale. It gives you access to all my previously recorded trading lessons. It gives you access to all my trade alerts, which are all, we give you literally every single piece of data when it comes to trading, guys. We give it an entry, we give it an exit, we give you everything. So when it comes to, we have short alerts, we have long alerts, we have every single type of alert, right? So this is what the alerts look like. We give it a ticker, we give you an entry, short limit at $14. We give you the exit price, $12, and we also give you the stop loss, okay? And a risk level. This risk level could either be red, green, or yellow. Red, green, or yellow, okay? If it's yellow, it means it's moderate risk. If it's green, it means it's lower risk. If it's red, it means it's higher risk. We put this in place for you guys to manage your position sizing over and over and over again. Look, this is what a yellow looks like. This is what let's see if we have any reds here. If I can find a red anywhere. Okay, well, no red. Okay, no red. But this is what it look like, okay? So we give you literally every single piece of the move, right? And I think that position sizing is one of the most important things when it comes to risk management. I think so many people think of risk management as just risk-reward ratio, and I think that that's the dumbest way of trading. If you're using the same amount of money in every single trade, you're dumb. Take that, I just dropped my pen, but take that as a drum roll. You're dumb. Why? Because are the probabilities of every single trade being the same? Are the probabilities of every single trade going your way the same? No. So why are you using the same amount of money in every single trade? How does that make any sense? Doesn't it make more sense to use more money on a A+ setup and use less money on a more risky setup? Yes, it does. Okay, so you have so many gurus tell you, oh, risk to reward ratio. They're idiots. They don't know anything. Okay, that's the stuff that makes sense on pen and paper, and then when you trade for years and years, you realize that makes no sense. I've just been doing this absolutely wrong, and it's just based on a bunch of nerds who just wrote some stuff down and haven't actually applied it to their own trading. Okay, so there's that, guys. Now check us out, guys. Like I said, right now the next 10 people that join also get access to it for 50% discounts, and it is all also first month money back guarantee. But I'm telling you, you're not going to want to leave. We have over 100 members in the Discord, guys, coming back month after month after month because they're making money, right? Nobody comes back to the Discord if they're not making money. Nobody continues paying for a monthly subscription if they're not making money, okay? So check us out, guys. The link is in the comment section and description. And yeah, okay, I look forward to meeting you guys all there, and that's it, right? So how does the first month money back guarantee work? Well, within the first 30 days, you can cancel for any reason, and it's free, okay? It's absolutely free. So check us out, guys. The link is there, and that's it, okay? So when it comes to SoundHound, guys, for me personally, like I told you guys, I already told you how I would play it, and I want you guys to also know it's not financial advice, okay? Do what you like, man. It's your money, right? I'm not going to tell you, do this, do that, it's not financial advice. So take this video with a grain of salt. Just understand this is what I'm doing as a long-term trader, and maybe you should watch some other videos. Always doing due diligence, okay? And that's all, okay? Thanks for watching. Happiness in trading. Your boy Sam from Top Trade Academy.